Hi guys, so this is for all the Leo people, and we will be reading your August. We will be checking what is going to be the energy. So let's begin, and this is for your Sun, Moon, Rising. So let's see what do we have for Leo for the month of August. So first card is Go the Distance. Definitely you need to come out of your comfort zone. Okay. A lot of spiritual cards are there. Okay, finally realizing the reason to your existence. Why do you really exist? What is the purpose for you to have this birth? What is the purpose behind this reincarnation? What is or incarnation? Okay, what are the gifts that you hold within? What is your uniqueness? Self discovery. This is all what I see in the month of August. Okay, 888 portal is going to be very important for you, which is, of course, happening on the 8th August. Okay, so let's clarify. First card is Go the Distance. So I do feel here going the distance is not just about you coming out of the comfort zone, but you will be wanting to come out of your comfort zone. You would be wanting to see what is beyond what you are doing right now. Okay, let's say that you are doing something in your career, but you will have different kind of questions like, is this it, or I'm meant to do something more? बस क्या मुझे यही चीज़ करनी है, या कुछ और है जो मुझे करने की नीड है, कुछ और है जो मेरी कॉलिंग है, शायद से मुझे इसमें मज़ा आता है बट मैं इतना ज़्यादा नहीं कनेक्ट कर पाती हूँ या कर पाता हूँ, और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. मे बी आई नीड टू लुक more into this. Maybe I need to go within so that I can actually tap into what the truth is about this entire scenario. So कुछ तो एक ऐसी चीज़ चल रही है आपकी लाइफ में या आपकी लाइफ में चलेगी इन द मंथ ऑफ ऑगस्ट, जिसके आप पीछे पड़ जाओगे कि इस चीज़ का सच मुझे जानना है. मुझे जानना है कि मेरा पर्पस क्या है, मुझे जानना है कि मेरा सोल लेसन क्या है, मुझे जानना है कि ये पर्सन मेरी लाइफ में क्यों आया, मुझे जानना है कि मैंने इस चीज़ को अपनी लाइफ में क्यों चूज़ किया, और एट्सेट्रा समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, लेट्स सी, लेट्स क्लैरिफाई द कार्ड Go the Distance. Wheel of Fortune, 4 of Pentacles, and 2 of Swords. So all right, so firstly, some of you are going to tap into the knowledge of money, the relationship that you share with money, the relationship you want to build with money. कुछ लोगों के लिए ऐसा हो सकता है कि शायद से आप लोगों के लिए पैसे इतने इम्पोर्टेंट ना हो. कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है कि पहले इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं थे बट अब इम्पोर्टेंट होने लग गए हैं. कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है दैट some kind of money situation is there in your life and you're trying to understand the psychology behind it. So something is there where you will be going, where you will be going beyond a certain limit. ओके, एक होता है ना, हमें कुछ चीज़ को पाने के लिए या जानने के लिए हमें अपनी लिमिट से बाहर हम जाते हैं विद ऑल द विल एंड विश. सो वो चीज़ यहाँ पे होती हुई दिख रही है. ओके, जो भी आपके कन्फ्यूजन्स हैं रिलेटेड टू मटीरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स, रिलेटेड टू मनी, रिलेटेड टू अबंडेंस, रिलेटेड टू लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, ये सब चीज़ों पे आप काफ़ी ज़्यादा वर्क करने वाले हो. Then we have Observer. So let's see. So we have the Lovers, 7 of Pentacles, and 4 of Swords. I also feel that apart from this, your focus is also going to be on love. Okay, for some of you, probably there's a person on whom you have a crush on, or someone who has a crush on you as well. And I do think that you will be exploring the connection, or you will be wanting to get to know more about this person, कि इस person में ऐसा है क्या जिसकी वजह से मैं इतना ज़्यादा attracted feel कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ towards this person. Okay, we got the card of Lovers, you can see. So that energy is going to be there, but at the same time you will have that patience with this person. You need to have a lot of patience with this person, because the person that you're dealing with, this person is very creative, very intuitive, they have a very fiery energy. Okay, they have certain psychic gifts also, so this person can understand your intent, this person can understand your motives very easily. तो इस person के साथ कहीं ना कहीं fake banna is not that possible. Okay, so that is the energy if you are dealing with someone. Okay, if you have eyes on someone, probably I do feel that you will be experiencing something like that. And for others, you will be tapping into your soul mission as well, कि आपका exactly mission क्या है. Also, if you see that a lot of cats are being drawn to you, काफ़ी सारी cats आपके आसपास आ रही हैं, so it's a sign that your soul lessons are approaching you. Okay, something that your soul needs to learn, something that your soul is meant to learn, that is approaching you, and the energy will enhance more and more. Okay, and it is also happening because your creativity is also enhancing. Okay, your sacral chakra is either healing or it's getting activated. Very spiritual energy for a Leo. So let's see what does the card of deep knowing talks about. So I also feel that you will be giving a lot of importance to peace, and peace is like अपने अपने में रहना, अपने आप के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करना, you know, अपने आप को बहुत अच्छे से रिचार्ज करना. I see some of you doing some full moon meditations or new moon meditation, that is going to be very helpful for you. You might even see a black owl. I don't know if a black owl exists, but probably a black owl either in your dream or in real also. So that is going to be a major sign of having some kind of psychic abilities or tapping into your powers. Okay, spiritual powers. So here we have King of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, the Judgment, and we have Four of Cups. So you will definitely be understanding the difference between the ether element and the water element. Okay, something related to your spiritual needs, what your soul actually needs and what you are wanting to do. And there's a big difference between needs and your wants, राइट. सो यहाँ पे आप इस चीज़ पे बहुत ज़्यादा टैप करने वाले हो, एंड इस चीज़ पे कोई जजमेंट भी लगेगी, बट आई वुड से दैट सम ऑफ यू रियली नीड टू प्रोटेक्ट योर ऑरा, बिकॉज आपके ऑरा में कुछ ऐसे लोग आ सकते हैं हु आर नॉट हेल्दी फॉर यू. ओके, सो बिफोर यू सिट फॉर एनी मेडिटेशन, बिफोर यू डू एनीथिंग स्पिरिचुअल और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, ground yourself properly, create a protective shield around you. If you want, you can learn Reiki. I do provide Reiki teachings for all the levels, and that really helps you in having a good aura, that helps you to have a protective aura and all of that. Okay, so that is there. But apart from that, so this judgment is being taking place, but I also see some entities here. Okay, and these entities can be something which can really trigger your mind, or it can play with your mind, or something which might not be that healthy for you, so be aware. Let's see what is this Y card. So like I said that finally you will be tapping into that gift, that this is it, this thing has all the answers for me. So you will find something which will have all the answers that you've been asking for, the answers that you've been seeking for. So probably you are going to do something new, or you will be tapping into something unknown that has been unknown to you. Let's clarify the card Y. So we have the sun, we have king of swords, and we have the fool. So that leap of faith वाली जो चीज़ होती है ना, आई थिंक आप लोगों ने किसी पर्टिकुलर जर्नी में काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट रखा है. यू हैव टेकन दैट लीप ऑफ फेथ इन योर जर्नी, स्पेशली इन योर स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी, इफ़ यू हैव बीन इन वन, और हैविंग सम काइंड ऑफ ट्रस्ट इन अ गुरु और पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. एंड वो जो आपने ट्रस्ट दिखाया है, वो जो आपने फेथ रखा है अपनी जर्नी में, उस चीज़ का आपको बेनिफिट मिलेगा इन द मंथ ऑफ ऑगस्ट. उस चीज़ के आपको रिवॉर्ड्स मिलेंगे इन द month of August. Okay, your solar plexus is really going to bloom like a lotus, so that energy is also there. And I do see that your air element is getting balanced. Okay, you will have some kind of mastery on the element of air. And I also see that you will have a very feather like energy. You will feel very light in the month of August. Some of you are going to eat very sattvic food, very light food, or probably your energy will be such where you are going to feel very light. Okay, so that is it, and I hope it helps. Bye.